All living things, Five Kingdoms, big ups to Robert Whittaker 1969, and the man Carl Linnaeus. Let's go! Once upon a time, someone created a system to classify all living organisms. Account for everything we don't wanna forget some. So we break it down into the Five Kingdoms. Animals, this is the largest group. Multicellular and they all eat food. They use their senses like hearing and touch. Examples are bird, fish, mammals and such. Plants, they all grow from the earth. The roots absorb nutrients from the dirt. Water, CO2. And the nutrients that we need in this lives energy from the sun. That's photosynthesis. Fungi can look like plants, but they're not. There's something you can miss. Fungi does not mess with photosynthesis. They absorb nutrients like all the time. How they do it? By secreting enzymes. A protist is a primitive life for millions of years. Is how long they've been around. For the cell of a protist has a nucleus. Algae is a very often mentioned example of this called bacteria. Most of the time, single cells are one of the simplest forms of life. They can feed anywhere. You never know where they could be. Bacteria is everywhere, even inside of you and me. Once upon a time, someone created a system to classify all living organisms. Account for everything we don't wanna forget some. So we break it down. Into the Five Kingdoms. Once upon a time, someone created a system to classify all living organisms. Account for everything we don't wanna forget some. So we break it down into the Five Kingdoms.